Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker that is known under the name of the browser extension called Filter. So it's a special browser extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. However, you should not tolerate this extension if it was first seen on your computer. The point is that very often the extension is spread through bundling with some free applications, so people tend to download and install the extension pretty unintentionally. What the extension does is actually redirecting your search queries, and the redirections are taking place through a special unfamiliar website. When you submit some search queries, you may notice that eventually the results are delivered by websearches.club, or sometimes they may be delivered by some other totally different search engine not requested by you initially. So to get rid of this extension called Filter, you need to access the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, and you'll be in this area. So you may disable the extension and remove the extension completely. Basically, this should fix the problem. However, I also recommend you to check your available applications if you use Mac computer. Remove any items that are suspicious. Similarly, access the control panel and delete those programs that are not familiar to you in Windows computer. I would also recommend that you research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Then download the software, install the application, and start researching your computer in order to be persuaded that your system is free of any other threats. So, after the antivirus database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the thorough research of your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.